In today's video, we will take out the passenger front door panel for 2024 Toyota Corolla. We'll start off taking out the cover behind the inner door handle. Here I'm using a plastic trim remover tool in order to push that cover out. Cover is out. Notice there is a screw behind the cover and we will use a Phillips screwdriver to take out that screw. Using the same trim remover tool, we will take out the inner door switch cover. We'll have to slide in the tool from right and left until the tabs are completely taken out. You can also use your hand to pull it out completely. Once the switch cover is pulled out, now we have to take out two plugs. One plug is white color and the other plug is black color. Both of them needs to be taken out. Both plugs are out. Using the same trim remover tool, we will take out a plastic cover which is in the middle of the door panel itself. It is a big plastic cover, so we have to slide in the tool one by one until the complete cover pops out. There we got the cover taken out. Notice behind the cover there is one screw and that needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. It is one of the longer screws. Don't feel tired while you're rotating your arm. Once the screw is out, the same screw is a little ahead on top that also needs to be taken out. Now we will slightly pull the door panel from the edges. Make sure you pull it from the edges where the brackets are attached. I'm pulling it to a point where I can put my arm and then I can just pull it out using my arm. Make sure you pull it from the speaker side as well. Notice the door panel is losing its grip. With a little more rock and roll upside, you would notice the door panel coming apart. There are two wirings behind, one is for the lock and one is for the handle. We'll take out the white one first. Followed by taking out the green one as well. With that, we have knocked out the door panel completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.